Hey guys, it's Andrea and I'm coming at you guys with this week's new releases. These new releases will be live on the shop Wednesday at noon Eastern. We have 3 collections this week. 2 are reformats that have been highly requested, along with 1 new exclusive art collection. These are also exclusive art. We have a foil bundle and 10 new doodles along with these that have been requested. So let's get into it. So let's start at the top. The first thing here are these super cute matte stickers with different colored foils. We have lavender hollow, champagne lights, and sparkly hollow. And these are the same as the stickers that have been on the most recent orders. They're just a little bit smaller, and a lot of people have been really loving them ever since I put them on the back of the mailers. And I just wanted to do something super cute for 7-year for the back of the mailers, like the label sticker, and I thought they turned out adorable, so I went ahead and had them printed for sale. So all 3 colors will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. Let's go through the doodles. So we do have 91 through 100. So the first one here is laundry detergent. There's also dishwashers, little like cleaning gloves, spray bottles, single hangers, irons, cookies. These were requested by Jess, I believe. So cute. So you have chocolate chip cookies, and then you have cookies with sprinkles on top. And then there are some super cute computers. These are like the old style Macs. Love those. And then also some tacos in kind of like a neutral color scheme. So those are the 10 new doodles that will be coming out this week. Let me go ahead and show you guys the foil bundle for the week. It is this really pretty like emerald green color. It's funny because on the back it looks purple. I'll show you guys. This is in the celestial format. Isn't it funny? It looks purple on the back. This is the celestial format, which we have released items in this before. It does come with the 6 full boxes and the header overlays, 2 sheets of that. It has the bougie boxes, the script and icons, along with the bottom washi where you can see the foil. It's a really pretty green, and it'll go really good, I think, with all of the kits this week. Ooh, and so many more. I feel like we don't even have any greens like this that we've ever released, and will look really pretty also like in the winter, Christmas time. Just so many options. There is also a really pretty matte label sampler too if you want to add that on. Then let's go into the kits for this week. I didn't do any new ones this week, so we do have 2 reformats along with a new art set that I'm really excited to show you guys. All of these are exclusive art, so you won't see this art anywhere else. This one is called Part of Your World, and I'm really excited because I am going to be going through and redoing some of my princesses that I've done before. And this one is super cute, inspired by Ariel, and I think I'm going to use this for Jessica J. Crew Plan's birthday. So let me go ahead and show you guys the boxes. So you have like 2 kind of double box scenes. You have a room and then an outside of a beach house, but I feel like you could totally split these 2 boxes up if you didn't want to do 2 double box scenes. You have 2 flat lays, one that's kind of like makeup centered, and then this one has a book, some skincare items, and then a fork. You have a Prince Eric little picture along with a little cup and a little wax melt warmer with 3 different melts. It says Kiss the Girl, Under the Sea, and Part of Your World. I just love this collection. I think it's so pretty. And I feel like there's so many foils that look so pretty with this, like even a purple foil, or if you wanted to do one of the standard foils, I feel like hollow or sparkly hollow or silver or mixed metal silver gold would look really pretty with this as well. The extra boxes in the ultimate has a record player that says Triton on it, and then you have a little like a pocket cloud with a flounder purse, some washi tape, and then some little Polaroids there as well. Love these colors. I just think they're so pretty, and the patterns too are beautiful. But I just cannot wait to use this for Jessica's birthday. I think it's perfect with like a birthday overlay and call it a day. The bottom washi, obsessed with mermaid scales, and then you have the clear with black script freebie. So that is Part of Your World. It also does come in a mini kit. Let me go ahead and show you guys that real quick. I think this will even look really pretty with the green. The green's not a color in it, but I feel like there's a lot of green in it that you could pull in. Show you this one real quick. You have the same full boxes in the mini, the same deco page, the same glitter header page, And then this is the mini kit page with half boxes, third boxes, fancy labels, and little things. And then the bottom washi with the clear with black script freebie. So that is the mini kit, and our mini kit format is pretty standard throughout. I'll go ahead and show you guys the extras. There is 3 extras for this kit. I think the rest of the kits only have 2. So you have the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. There's also the label sampler if you want to add that on. And then there is also the fashion add-on, which is adorable. I love it. So cute. Then let's go into Jurassic, which I did use in, I think it was a plan with me from not last week, but the week before. And it turned out so pretty. A couple people have been requesting this for a while now. I don't think I've reformatted it. But this was one of my first customs with Jess, Kittenish Jess. I think it was maybe like the 2nd or 3rd custom. And I think that like it has like, what was the word I'm trying to think of? Like stand the test of time with how like cute this art is. And I love everything about it. If you guys want to see it in like a full spread, just check a couple of videos back. And I think it turned out gorgeous. So you have some flat lays, some, you know, regular boxes, some dinosaurs, the cart there. And then the extra boxes, you have the Jurassic Park little entrance. And then you do have the fashion option there. It's supposed to look like Laura Dern. Then you have the deco, and then the glitter headers. I did color block with this. I think it looks so cool. The patterns you can see better there. And then the bottom washi, which is just a really pretty like tropical floral. And then the extra is just another color, which you guys have been loving when I add those on. So that is the ultimate kit for Jurassic Park. It also does come in a mini kit. All of the kits this week do come in an ultimate and a mini. And then there is also 2 options for add-ons. You do have the label sampler and the 15mm strip. So I'm really excited about this final kit because I actually combined 2 different artists' art and I think it looks really good. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is the Tiana kit. This is a reformatted kit. I think, you know, maybe in a year or so I'll do like a new Tiana. But you guys really wanted this reformatted, so I decided to kind of like pull in some of Jessica J. Crew Plan's art, and then I had another artist do a Tiana kit, and I feel like the colors were pretty similar and the art styles aren't like wildly different, so I like mixed them all together and I think it looks fantastic. I think it's so pretty. I love these colors and I just think it turned out really cute. So I hope you guys love this collection. So you have the full boxes here and then the extra boxes over here as well. I love these colors. I think I might have changed them up a little bit, but you do have 2 different greens, this really pretty nude, and then like a corally-ish pink, the deco page, the glitter headers, the half boxes, the solid and pattern page, and then the bottom washi. And then the extra is also a extra color, which is the yellow, which I think is really pretty. So that is the ultimate kit for Tiana. I think it turned out super cute. Especially love this scene. That's the one that J. Crew Plans drew, and I just think it was one of the best ones, and I loved it. So I needed to include it in there. Also comes in a mini kit, and then like before there is a label sampler and a 15mm strip if you want to add those on. I hope you guys like this week's new releases. I am very excited about the releases that I have planned for the next few weeks. I have something that's been kind of really highly requested that I said I wasn't going to do for foil. It's not like a huge thing, but it's something that I'm excited about that I'll be releasing soon. And yeah, I just have a lot of cool stuff coming, a lot of exclusive art coming that I've been waiting to release, a lot of awesome mysteries, some more events, bundles, stash bags, misfit kit pulls, all kinds of stuff coming up very, very soon. So I will keep you guys posted on those, but that's everything for this week, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.